Ani, bonjour, Kanoia. This is a response video to a challenge by Dungwei Mizinagan, aka Dan, from Facebook. Now, the words for this fun song for easy reading provided by Mr. Dan are, aka also known as Dungwei Mizinagan in Facebook. Now, these are the words, and we're going to scroll through these words and sing them. Now, Dan, this is for you, my friend. Merry Christmas.
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen.
Giki Kenema, Dasher meanwhile, Dancer meanwhile, Prancer meanwhile, Vixen.
Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen.
Comet meanwhile, Cupid meanwhile, Donner meanwhile, Blixen.
But do you recall
Gigi Kenema now.
the most famous reindeer of all?
Hade gewine getje spindago zed.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer
What up a mishko John Dick.
had a very shiny nose.
Gigetche wa washkune Johnson.
And if you ever saw it,
Gishpin wikagi wa bandaman.
you would even say it glows.
Wa washkune gat gedakit kangin.
All of the other reindeer
Gakana dashquade gok.
used to laugh and call him names.
Gigana bapa one meanwhile midget knows when.
They never let poor Rudolph
We dum no nit gawika.
join in any reindeer games.
Gi bucket and nasi one.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,
Engede nakshegi getchawang. Santa gi behekedo.
Rudolph, with your nose so bright,
Woulda begetche misko. Johnny say would.
won't you guide my sleigh tonight?
Nishke gda baba nagan bitchige.
Then how the reindeer loved him
Amidash kizagi wad.
as they shouted out with glee.
Wodaban kina hadekok.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer
Wodab mishkon John Shadek Rudolph.
you'll go down in history.
Panikina makwene mego. Miguel.